A turboprop engine is a hybrid aircraft engine that uses a gas turbine core to spin a propeller, generating most of its thrust through the propeller rather than exhaust.
Air is compressed, mixed with fuel, and ignited. The resulting hot gas spins turbines that drive both the compressor and the propeller via a reduction gearbox.
Key operating components of a turboprop engine. 1. Intake and compressor. Air enters, often through a backward-facing duct, and is pressurized by multi-stage compressors. Combustion chamber. Compressed air mixes with fuel and ignites, creating high-temperature, expanding gases. Turbines. Gas generator and power. Expanding gases drive a compressor turbine, keeping the engine running. The remaining energy spins a separate power turbine, connected to the propeller shaft. Reduction gearbox. Crucial for efficiency, this gearbox reduces the high-speed rotation of the turbine, e.g. 30,000 plus RPM, to a slower, efficient speed for the propeller, approximately 1,200 to 2,000 RPM.
Propeller. The propeller provides the majority of the thrust.
Key differences and features. Turboprop is highly fuel efficient at lower altitudes and slower speeds, typically under 450 miles per hour, compared to turbofans. Many, like the Pratt Whitney PT6, use reverse flow, where air changes direction to make the engine more compact. Turboprops are commonly found on regional airliners, cargo planes, and agricultural aircraft due to superior takeoff and climb performance.
Recent advancements in turboprop engines have focused on improving fuel efficiency, reducing noise, and integrating digital controls to make regional, general aviation, and military transport aircraft more sustainable and cost-effective. Key developments include additive manufacturing, 3D printing, the introduction of regenerative cycles, and the integration of hybrid electric technologies.
Key technological advancements in turboprop engine technology. 1. GE Catalyst, first 3D printed engine. As a significant breakthrough, the GE Catalyst is the first modern turboprop engine to utilize 3D printed parts, reducing over 800 components to only 12, achieving an 18% lower fuel burn and 10% higher cruise power compared to older competitors. It is now certified by the FAA and powers the new Beechcraft Denali.
Regenerative recuperator technology. Companies like Turbotech and Turbotech are developing regenerative turboprops, which use a heat exchanger recuperator to recover energy from exhaust gases, reducing fuel consumption by up to 50% for light aircraft.
3. Pratt & Whitney PW127XT series. This engine series offers 3% better fuel efficiency, 20% lower maintenance costs, and 40% more time on wing than its predecessors.
Hybrid electric and hydrogen propulsion. Research is advancing on hybrid electric turboprops, e.g. Avio Catalyst, designed for the next generation of 19-seater passenger aircraft, targeting a 15% improvement in fuel efficiency and 10 decibel noise reduction. Additionally, Pratt & Whitney is adapting the PW127XT for hydrogen fuel, Hyades project.
5. Advanced materials and aerodynamics. The use of advanced composites and optimized, often 3D designed, propeller blades reduces noise up to 10 decibels lower and enhances efficiency, allowing modern turboprops to compete with small jets in terms of cruise speed.
Industry trends and future outlook. Deutsche Aircraft D328 Eco. This new aircraft, expected to enter service in late 2027, is designed to operate on 100% sustainable aviation fuel, SAF.
High power output. The TP400D6 by Turboprop International represents the peak of power, delivering 11,000 shaft horsepower for military transport, featuring digital control and unpaved runway capability.
3D modeling and design. Development cycles are accelerated by using advanced 3D modeling and data sharing, as shown by Deutsche Aircraft in their D328 Eco project. These advancements are helping to drive a comeback for turboprop technology, driven by the need for increased sustainability and better economics on regional routes.
Turboprop-powered fighters are specialized, highly efficient light attack or counterinsurgency aircraft designed for low-threat environments, superior loitering, and short-field operations. Key examples include the Embraer EMB 314 Super Tucano, Beechcraft T6 Texan II,
Key turboprop combat trainer aircraft. The Embraer EMB 314 Super Tucano, A29. This jet is a premier light attack counterinsurgency aircraft used for close air support, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) in low-threat environments. The Beechcraft T6 Texan II. This is a turboprop trainer aircraft used by the U.S. Air Force, Navy, and other nations, powered by a Pratt Whitney Canada PT6E engine.
The Pilatus PC-9. This aircraft is a turboprop trainer that has also been adapted for light attack roles in various air forces. Air Tractor AT-802U. This is an armored, heavily armed derivative of the AT-802 agricultural plane, designed for counterinsurgency and light close air support.
Historical and experimental turboprop fighters. Republic XF-84H Thunder Screech, 1950s. This is an experimental aircraft designed to reach supersonic propeller speeds, creating an extremely loud noise. Convair XFY Pogo and Lockheed XFV. This is a 1950s U.S. Navy experimental vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) fighters powered by turboprop engines.
These aircraft, often using the reliable Pratt Whitney Canada PT6 engine, are underappreciated workhorses, preferred for their low operating costs, durability, and versatility, operating efficiently from remote or temporary airfields.
Turboprop aircraft offer significant advantages, particularly for short-haul flights and regional travel. They are far more fuel efficient at lower altitudes and slower speeds than jets, allowing them to operate with lower fuel consumption, lower maintenance costs, and better performance on shorter runways.
Key advantages of turboprops include superior fuel efficiency. They consume less fuel per hour compared to jets, making them more economical for short-distance routes, typically under 450 miles per hour.
Short field performance. Turboprops are designed to land on shorter, smaller, or less improved runways, expanding access to more airports.
Lower operating costs. With simpler, more robust engines, maintenance costs are generally lower. Lighter payload capacity. They can often carry a larger, heavier payload compared to similar-sized private jets.
Rugged reliability. Often used in military and utility roles, they are known for their ability to operate in harsh conditions.
Primary use cases. Turboprops are ideal for short regional hops due to lower costs and shorter runway requirements. Excellent for transporting goods to remote locations, and they offer competitive travel times for shorter distances, while providing greater utility, like accessing smaller private airfields.
Popular models like the Pilatus PC-12 are often dubbed the SUV of the sky for their versatility and capacity.